What is one simple and fun thing you can do to improve your YouTube channel engagement? I'm going to be talking about it in this video, so keep watching and stay till the end for a bonus tip. So hi, I'm Lindsay and welcome to my channel, LaVida Media. This channel is all about helping you learn videography skills to improve your YouTube content, and of course some YouTube tips and tricks as well. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe to my channel so I can help you create better content with each video you put out. So what is one fun and simple way to increase the engagement on your YouTube videos? Well, it's pretty simple. It's just engaging with every single person that leaves a comment on your channel. It builds connections with your viewers, it triggers the algorithm that your video is getting more engagement, and it encourages those people who comment and you respond to them to subscribe to your channel. So one thing you can do to encourage your viewers to leave a comment is by actually asking them a question in your video somewhere, either in the beginning, or you could even ask at the end. You could say something like, hey, do you prefer this or that? Or whatever question might be relevant to your video topic. Always ask the viewer to respond to it in the comments. And as you do this in every single video, you're going to start seeing more and more comments under your video and as your channel grows. As you start to respond to comments, you may see under each video that you put out, or each new video, that you might have some repeat commenters or people that you know always are first to comment on your videos. And you can definitely build a friendship with them. In fact, one person who used to comment on my videos a lot, we're actually really good friends now. So you can actually build authentic community by doing this, not just trigger the algorithm, but have other benefits as well. So you can respond to comments underneath each individual video, but there's actually several other locations you can respond to them as well that are all in one place that make it really easy. So one place you can go to is in the YouTube studio. You can go to the comment section, and actually there you can see all your comments. You can even see comments that have been held that might likely be spam. You can actually remove comments there as well if you don't want that comment on your video. Another great place to respond to your comments is using the YouTube Studio app for your smartphone. And in case you didn't know, there's actually a YouTube Studio app for your phone that is an additional app to the actual YouTube app. And you might think, oh, another app, I don't need another app. But if you have a YouTube channel and you're serious about growing it, and you're not home all the time, or you're out and about, and you want to kill some time by responding to comments, using the YouTube Studio app, you can not only respond to comments, but you can actually upload thumbnails, you can change descriptions, you can check your analytics, you can see how much money you're making if your channel is monetized. You can basically see almost every important feature from the YouTube Studio desktop on your phone. But there's one particular location, and you can actually go to it, and it has all your comments for every video in one place that's super easy to respond to. And personally, it's my favorite place to respond to comments on my phone, since I'm using it a lot more often than being on my laptop or desktop. So what exactly should you say in the comments to respond to anyone who leaves a comment? If it's appropriate, you could ask them a question and keep the conversation going, because as you keep the conversation going, this is really triggering the algorithm, and it's really building a community for your channel and more loyal subscribers as well. If a question doesn't seem appropriate, you could just leave like, hey, thanks for watching and commenting, or just put like a thumbs up emoji or 100 or anything that you feel is appropriate for your video. And that's it. Just something that acknowledges that you saw their comment and are responding and connecting with them. Eventually, as your channel grows to a few hundred subscribers or thousands of subscribers, you're going to start getting troll comments. And a lot of times when channels first start to get those comments, it can be really disheartening and you feel bad about it. But actually, once you've reached that point, it's really good for your channel, because it means that your videos are getting out there and people are finding them. However, troll comments or hater comments, of course, they don't feel good, and personally I used to leave them on my channel just to like trigger the algorithm, but at this point I don't have time to waste with troll comments and hater comments, so I just delete them right away, and I don't even miss that engagement on my algorithm or on my channel at all. but it's totally up to you if you want to leave it. If it's a mild comment and not a big deal, you can leave it, but if it's something that's just totally inappropriate, delete right away. So here's my bonus tip. In addition to leaving a comment to everyone who comments to you, go ahead and give your video the first thumbs up. That's another little algorithm trigger. And in each comment, you have the option to give a thumbs up and a heart. So go ahead and just click the thumbs up as well for that comment. And if it's appropriate, smash the little heart as well. If you really enjoy their comment, I do on most put the heart, but sometimes if it's like a negative comment, I might not do that, just to be honest. But those are 2 extra things you can do. So you can get over like 3 points. You can get a point for leaving a comment, a point for giving it a thumbs up, and a point for giving it a heart. So definitely do all of those things on every comment to trigger the algorithm that your video is getting a lot of engagement. So let me know down in the comments, do you respond to every single comment on your video, or have you kind of just forgotten about the comment section? Let me know down below. And if you have any further questions, of course, leave it in the comment section as well, and I'll get to those. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So lastly, in the next video I'm going to be putting out, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get more views on your videos without any ninja SEO knowledge or fake bots or anything crazy. It's going to be a super simple tip that you can immediately apply to your channel. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe to my channel below, put on notifications so you don't miss out, and I will see you in the next video. In the meantime, don't forget to check out some of the videos at the end screen so you can keep on improving your videography skills and growing your YouTube channel.